Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and today we're going to, as I said, unglamorized products that I think should not be as popular as they are because they're good but they're not great. If you're new to this channel, please go to my videos. I post many reviews, many hauls about beauty, skincare, anything that you are interested in. I'm also going to introduce new topics in my channel, so make sure to stay tuned if you want to check out them. So the first product that we're going to go through is the Hair Glow liquid filter by elf. I actually have made a video with this product on how to apply foundation, and maybe at the review, I'm not entirely sure, but I think I did. As you use this, you think that it's a very good, like, universal product. You can use it as foundation, as concealer, as anything you'd like. It's really good for like beginners especially, but when you start actually like using it regularly, it literally breaks you out so much. I've not got acne prone skin. The only thing I have is hyperpigmentation, dry skin. That's it. Like whenever I use it, like after a day or two, my skin can just boom to the ground. I don't understand why. I don't know if maybe it's like pore clogging ingredients in this, but I think this should be unglamorized. Another thing that I do not like about this product is that it leaks like crazy. Look at this. Like, look at the applicator. Like, everything is just so messy. If you're like a person that like carries their makeup around all the time, for example, sometimes I like do it at school because I forget to do it at home, or like I don't have the time to, and like it leaks every single time in my bag. Like, it's so annoying. Also, I think it's like one of the least long-lasting concealers I've ever tried, because I use it to go to school, as I already said, and then by the time I get to lunch, it's gone. Like, this is not a single thing. It gets all patchy, it starts to peel so much, but that might be because of another product which I'm going to talk about later. But I think it's also the Hello Glow liquid filter itself, because even when I don't put that product on, it starts to peel and it's so annoying. Now, this product might not be glamorized, but I think the brand this product comes from is, especially for the black girlies out there, this is not a good product at all. And I'm talking about the Body Shop Swipe Liquid Lip Balm. I got it in the shade Kiwi, and that might be also the reason why I don't particularly like it, because I saw the other shades and they were quite good. I think you can already tell what I'm about to talk about. This gives you a massive white cast, like I'm telling you, and it's not that hydrating in my opinion. It's not moisturizing. It might be moisturizing a tiny bit, but it makes my lips look so dry because it makes them white. Literally white. This thing is so expensive. I don't remember at the top of my head how much it is, but it's actually expensive for this size. It's literally like 5 grams of product and it's so expensive. I think it's like over £5. Crazy. The only thing is good is vegan, 95% natural origin ingredient. Overall it's really good, but I think like they need to improve the formula for this because it smells absolutely amazing. I can smell the kiwi like really nice. It's so nice, but they need to arrange the formula because everyone should be able to wear this because it smells amazing. Who doesn't love kiwi? Who doesn't love kiwi? At least I do, okay? And I'd love to be able to use every single product of this line. So yeah, I think it should be unglamorized. Maybe not unglamorized, but actually just the formula needs to be changed rather. I think that's also like for every single product, like maybe the packaging. But the packaging for this, it's so amazing. Like whoever made it is amazing, very comfortable, very like pocket size, which I absolutely love. I don't like having like massive lip balm and stuff. This is really good. Just the formula, please, that's just the formula. The next few products are products that are actually from my favorite black owned business, and I have to say I do like these products kind of, but I think that these products have some things that should be changed and some things that like make them like comfortable to use. Talking about the Fenty Skin Hydra Visa SPF moisturizer. I like the moisturizer. It's pink, as you can see. This is pink. It's a bit obviously because I haven't used it in ages because I do not like this product at all. The downsides of this product are actually the fact that this gives you a massive white cast, even though being a sunscreen made by a black-owned business. It does not act like a primer at all. It peels your makeup so bad. It does not lay down on your makeup like really good. And I don't know, maybe it's my skin type. I don't think so. This is not a great moisturizer, I have to say. They should just change the formula, but the packaging is absolutely amazing. Like the packaging is absolutely bangers. Um, I love it. You just twist it and you get all the information on here. See Fenty. Let me see if I can focus it. You just plug it back in and you're done. At the same time, I wish the part where the actual product comes out was covered, like in the Drunk Elephant products, where that the twister thing. The part where the actual product comes out is covered, so that it doesn't oxidize, it doesn't get in contact with air, doesn't dry out. But this thing does, and then as you can see, when it came out, this bit, what came out is just a bit more red. And that is because it's been dried out, because I do not use this product at all. I feel so bad. I think I'm going to give it to my best friend. She likes it. Otherwise, don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's a good product. It has good potential, but I think the formula should be changed. And maybe it's the color pink, actually. Maybe just make it white. Because I'd rather have it like white that becomes transparent than having pink, which I like. But then gives me a massive white cast. The last product I am going to talk about is the Fenty Skin Felt Water. I have made a separate review on this toner, and in the video, as you can tell, I absolutely loved it, and I actually do love this product. But the downside of using it regularly is the packaging, because it does not help you. It makes you waste so much product, because it's not like, it's just over bubble. It's really like hard to get everything. It's not very comfortable to use. It just leaks all over your desk, setup and everything, and it's just really annoying. But after that, it's an amazing toner. It hydrates so much. It's very like, especially as I have very dry skin, it helps me having like good moisturization, good hydration, and it's absolutely amazing. Okay, so this is the four products that I think should be unglamorized, and now I'm gonna go through the products that I think should be glamorized and deserve the hype that they have. The first product I'm going to talk about is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb lip gloss. This is in the shade Cheeky. Absolutely love it. Stunning. I am wearing it right now, and it just gives you an amazing glow to your lips. There's like a gradient construct between the red and the orange. It smells like cherries. I don't know how they've done that. It's overall an amazing lip gloss. I have made a separate video about this, but I think I made it in the video where I say how to make your makeup look pop, as in like vibrant. The second product I'm going to talk about is the Dior Lip Glow Oil. I'm sorry, I don't care what dupe. This is absolutely amazing. It makes my lips so juicy, makes my lips so shiny. It lasts for like hours. Girl, like as you can tell, I've been using it for like, also the thing is, it's like expensive, it's like over £30, which is, I think is a bit ridiculous. In my opinion, it's a bit ridiculous, but Dior, so absolutely amazing. This is in the shade Rosewood, 12 Rosewood, and I have nothing but to say. I am just speechless. I absolutely love this. The only thing that sets me off is the price, of course, and I'm going to look for some dupes. I heard already that Elf launched its dupes for it, but honestly, I think it's an amazing lip oil. And it looks like a lip gloss, but it's a lip oil. Lip oils are even more hydrating. I'm trying to be careful because it's halfway through the package. I'm like, crying. So yeah, please buy this. Save up to buy this because it absolutely is worth it. And I'm ready to show you my baby because I've been wanting her for like ages, if not more. I don't know why I'm putting out an American accent, but anyway, I've been wanting this product for like ages, and I finally got my hands on it like last month, and I couldn't be more grateful because it's an amazing product, makes my skin look amazing. And I'm talking about the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pore Tightening Toner. I'm sorry, this thing was sent from God. I have nothing else to say. But this product was absolutely sent from God, because ain't no way this product can be this good. Because, oh my God, it's amazing. It lasts ages. I don't know how they did. I don't know how they did it, but it lasts absolutely ages. Smells amazing. It makes me almost want to cry. And just wow. Just wow. Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe is the skincare brand. I'm sorry, I've not tried like all the skincare brands in the world, but I've tried enough to say that this is on top. The packaging, y'all, is absolutely amazing. I love this. I even made an ASMR about it, about unboxing it. So make sure to watch that. It's a short. It's about like not even a minute. So, oh, this is the tone of the year. I'm sorry, and it just lasts ages because I've been using this religiously almost every day, and it's still there. It's still there. I'm literally gonna post when I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna be halfway through, and what's gonna be like probably like 6 months away from now, if not more. And wow, just wow. Glow Recipe, you did an amazing job. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment any other video recommendations, any other products you want to see, just anything that you want, babes. And make sure to stay tuned to all the videos I'm going to post, especially the category that I think nobody's expecting. And thank you guys for watching again. Bye bye. I love you so much. If you want to see more of me, please don't hesitate to go in the description and check out my TikTok and my Instagram. On TikTok, I am more a bit of myself, so make sure to stay tuned if you want to check out them.